Good day guys, so meron tayong client 1, 2, 3, so tatlong puno tayo ngayon, no? So ito, top overhaul. So ang problema nito kay bossing tinamaan po yung piston at bore kit. So pan-checking no? Laki ng kayod. So ito rin yung piston niya, may tama, no? So top overhaul to. At the same time palitin tayo ng cam bearing. And then timing chain, timing guide. So ito na lahat yung mga parts yan, no? Lahat yan original parts. Start from piston, block, head and base gasket, timing chain, timing guide. So valve seal, change oil and coolant. So papalit tayo. So ito, water pump nya, malapit na rin to. So ayan yung mga gagawin. Napatapos na. And then ito, engine parts, sorry basta. Engine parts, all goods na, patapos na rin. And then yun isa, ayan, bull race lang yan. So, yan, visit lang po, JB Shop Motorcycle Accessories. Loaded tayo pero kaya pa, no? Wala naman tayo ganong pila ngayon. Visit lang.